family! Welcome to my channel. It's Anna here, and today once again is opening of my advent calendar. It's day 5. So today is December 6 and it's Friday. I don't know what to say now. It's really hard for me to vlog every day, really, to be honest with you guys, because I'm so busy. But of course I need to do it because I have the advent calendar and I need to open it today, the number 5. So thank you for always tuning in with me. Thank you for Team Kapamilya. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. You know who you are, who always supported me and watching my videos. I really appreciate it very much. I really appreciate you as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. Oh, as you can see, I have new headband now. I bought new one, so me and Ruthie can use it. Can you see this? So cute. A reindeer headband because the other one was already broken. Anyway, here is my advent calendar and here is the number 5. I'll show it to you here. It's really hard to find the number, and it because of the purple and different colors as well. So sometimes I'm struggling to find it, but now I found it. It's here. You can see here 5. So let's open it together. Here is the number 5 here. So let's open it. Where can I start? Here. Here. This box is hard. Yeah. Oh, I know. Another set of it's not eyeshadow. I thought it's eyeshadow. It's lip balm. Can you read this, guys? Lip balm. Lip balm. So cute. Cookie. Lip balm. Yay! I've got the lip balm. Yay! Today, look, 4 kinds of colors, 4 different colors. It was so funny that I was really thinking it's an eyeshadow. So it's a lip balm, and I'll put it in the interchangeable compact that I have. Here it is. So I thought I can only put eyeshadows in here, but no, there's a surprise lip balm here. Look, so beautiful. So it fits in here anyway, like this. Okay, then I remove the cover because there's already a cover here. Yeah, so I have these eyeshadows and this is lip balm. So I don't know what will I get for these 2 space. There's 2 more space in here. So let's see, family. I'm really so excited. Yay, I'm so happy today. So it's a lip balm. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like my Vlogmas number 5, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you, family, for joining me today, and I really appreciate that you have given your time for this Vlogmas number 5. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, and if you are new here, please do subscribe and hit the like and comment down below if you enjoy this video, and hit the notification bell so that you will notify every time I had a video. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, family. Yay, 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 yay. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, God bless you all. Bye. I love you.